Welcome, thank you everybody for watching this video. Today I'll show how to make this 3D object in Solidworks software. So at first I'm taking the new file. Okay, then I'm selecting the MMGS. Then I'm taking the front plane, go to the extruded boss, and I'm taking the center rectangle. Okay, done, and sketch it. Then I'm going to the determine smart dimension, and it will be 60 millimeters. It will be 100 millimeters. Okay, done. Then the thickness will be 60 millimeters. Okay. Then I'm going to tempering, so I'm going to here and select the temper, click this corner and this corner, and it will be 10 millimeters and 45 degree. Okay, done. Then extruded card is selected, click here. Okay, then Control 8, or you can go here and select the normal plane. Then I'm taking the corner rectangle and sketch it. Okay, then I'm going to the smart dimension and determine it from here to here. It will be 20 millimeters, and similarly from here to here also 20 millimeters, and this portion is also, we can take it 30 millimeters. Okay, then I'm going to the taking the circle and sketch it, and this circle is 20 millimeters. Okay, then exit it. Then I'm selecting the through all. Okay, done. This portion and this portion. Okay, then I'm going here. Okay, so watching it. Then I'm going to the extrude card again and click on the surface, go to here, normal plane is taken, taking the circle, and I'm drawing a circle which will be the 15 millimeters, and the dimension from here to here